Now these are called openings. They actually act as a deterrent from predators sneaking up behind them. They kind of look like eyes in the dark. Now the specialized hunters with sophisticated sense of hearing, able to locate their prey, hiding among the grass or even moving underground. And the servals are among the swiftest and most agile of cats. Now that's Tango showing you how he can do a slow flying bird and Hello? Excuse me? Tango has already done his job. What are you doing up there? Warm up? Warm up for you or warm up for the cat? Or for the both of you? Okay, what's going to happen now? Oh, that's nice. Would you like to see Tango go for higher jump?
Yeah!
Okay, come on now. I think you want to have a little bit more oomph, right? I mean, with that kind of response, even Jerry won't jump off the stump for you. Now, ladies and gentlemen, do you want to see